Good morning, guys. Today you're going to be taking the unit assessment for Unit 6. Please make sure you use your reference chart and make sure you circle your keywords. If it asks for perimeter, circle perimeter. If it asks for area, please circle area. If it asks for volume, please circle volume. And also make sure you write down your formula for each question. What formula did you use to answer each question? All right. After each question is read, please hit pause, and then when you're ready, hit play again. Here we go. 31. Matt's picture frame is 12 inches long and has an area of 84 square inches. What is the perimeter of the picture frame? Is it A, 7 inches, B, 38 inches, C, 72 inches, or D, 200 inches? Hit pause. "32. The table below shows the capacity of 3 containers. Container A, B, and C. The capacity is 5 cups, 3 pints, and 1 quart. Which list shows the containers in order from smallest capacity to the largest capacity? Hit pause. "33. Based on the diagram, which statement is not true? A. All squares are rhombuses. B. All rectangles are squares. C. All trapezoids are quadrilaterals. Or D. All rhombuses are quadrilaterals. Hit pause. "34. The building supply store is creating a display of bricks. The first layer of the brick is shown below. How many bricks will they display if they stack the bricks 8 layers tall? A. 42, B. 54, C. 326, or D. 336. Hit pause. 35. Mrs. Armstrong bought 8 yards of ribbon to make bows. Each bow takes 18 inches of ribbon. Does Mrs. Armstrong have enough ribbon to make 16 bows? Is it A? Yes, because 8 times 36 is 288. If I take 288 and divide by 18, it equals 16. Yes, because 8 times 3 equals 24, and 24 is greater than 16. Or is it C? No, because 8 times 18 is 144, and 16 times 18 is 288. Or D? No, because 8 times 12 is 96, and 16 plus 18 is 34. This is a tricky one. Work it out and hit pause and come on back. Question 36. Terrence bought the new aquarium shown below. The shaded part represents the base of the aquarium. What is the area of the base of his aquarium? A. 166 square inches. B. 209 square inches. C. 266 square inches. Or D. 3,724 square inches. Hit pause, work it out, and come on back. 37. David drew the flag design below. The blue section is a square with a side length of 8 inches. The red section is 4 inches wide and 10 inches long. What is the area of David's flag? A. 52 square inches, B. 104 square inches, C. 144 square inches, or D. 320 square inches. Hit pause. Question 38. Rosa filled out a graphic organizer about polygons. Here's a section of her graphic organizers: quadrilaterals, rectangles, non-rectangles. Which shapes are not, or sorry, which shapes appear to not be classified correctly? Which shapes appear to not be classified correctly? Shapes 3 and 5, B, shapes 2 and 3, C, shapes 1, 2, and 4, or D, shapes 2, 3, and 5. Which shapes appear to not be classified correctly? Hit pause. 2 more to go. Here we go. 39. In which table are all the correct boxes marked? Look at each one and find out in which table are all the correct boxes marked. Hit pause. Last question, 114. Make sure to bubble it in on Gridable 114. Grayson wants to fill a cube-shaped box with 1-inch cubes. The height of the box is 7 cubes tall. How many cubes will he need to fill the box? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Once you have finished, please go back and double check your work. Make sure you've shown a formula for every question that you can show a formula for, and make sure you grid it in the correct bubbles. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.